Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. It is Julio here from RP Tinting, and today we're going to be showing you guys decided to pick up the camera and film the day at the shop. So today is Friday, it's 9:30 a.m. and what we're going to be doing is 3 vehicles today. This is a Honda. It got ceramic 5% in the back, 20% in the driver passenger, windshield sun strip on the front windshield. And it also got our insurance policy for the illegal tint on the driver and passenger windows. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing right now. Also guys, I know, and this is my last video, I know I said I was gonna put the waiver in the video. The reason I didn't is because I'm gonna actually make a separate video on the waiver. Our liability waiver is something that we've been using all the time. If I link it below, the issue is that if people go and look at it, you have to put your information in. And I don't wanna be getting like hundreds of registrations from YouTube people, because we use that data in order to run our ads, because it asks where they're from and all that stuff. So that's why we don't do it. But let's take you guys through. Step number 1, I already cleaned all the seals. Now I'm gonna print everything out and start installing. Tinting, good morning.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine. Okay, yeah, I had left a message for you this morning about scheduling an appointment to have my windows tinted.
Yes, sorry, I haven't heard your voicemail. But yeah, how can I help you?
Okay, so I came by Wednesday. I was taking the dog to the groomers, saw your sign.
Oh, yes.
And I pulled up in my car at the Azera.
Yes.
And you took a look.
Yes.
So I checked out the different intensities of the tinting. And anyway, I'm calling to make an appointment.
Okay, yeah. So what day would you like to come in?
Okay, so I have to have somebody, drop me off and pick me up. So the soonest I can do it is like either Wednesday, July 6th, or Thursday, July 7th.
July 6th.
And preferably, if you have what would work really good for me if you're not totally booked, is like a 10 o'clock appointment.
We could do 10 a.m. on the 6th.
That is a Wednesday, right?
Yes.
We'll do it.
Okay, what is your first and last name?
My name is Jan, Jan, Silva, S-I-L-V-A.
Silva. Okay. And your phone number. Okay, and we're doing the full vehicle, correct? All right. Okay.
No, wait a minute. I didn't hear you good. What did you say?
Yeah, so we're doing the full vehicle, correct?
Well, all the windows tinted, yes.
Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna send you a confirmation right now, and that's it. We'll see you here on Wednesday. So this right here, guys, I already did everything. So now it's time, or prepped everything. So now it's time to just clean and install. Hopefully I can catch up on some time here and keep going. Okay, now it is optional to take off the gasket. It does help the install a lot, but I'm really good at gasket openers, and I just kind of prefer not to be taking stuff off of a car, in my opinion. But it does make it a lot easier to install and get my gaskets. All right guys, so I wasn't gonna be working on Saturdays anymore, but I have some stuff I wanna save up for. And as long as I can make $1,000 on a Saturday, then I'm down. Not forever, but at least during the peak season where we can get that volume in. I'll do like 3 appointments. I'm gonna try to see if I can manage 4 appointments a day, but it's hard because I'm taking calls and doing all this stuff. So it's not like other tenders where they don't have to take calls, or when you're taking calls, that's what you gotta like look into. Because one time I saw this guy who was talking about how it's a commercial for like learning how to tint, and he's like, yeah, continue to make $1,000 a day, and then he like showed a guy who had like 8 cars in a day, and I'm like, dude, that's not impossible, but they didn't show the actual install. It was just like them saying what they did to the car and suppose that they had tinted it. So maybe I'm just really, really slow, but 8 cars in a day is pretty crazy. That's actually like flash, because we have to consider, are we doing windshields, clean, prep, you know, post, you know, leaving it outside, letting it dry, touch-ups, phone calls, customer service, scheduling. So it's impressive they can do that, but I don't think it's possible. I've been doing this for almost 6 years now. Lip, I have to install it with a lot more time. So like if I want to use my Joy or Super Soap, so that way my install is a little bit easier, then that means I'm going to test it out today. I don't recommend using Joy. I use Tint Slime, but the Tint Slime, it just doesn't slip like Joy. So I'm going to do a combination of Joy and Tint Slime. That way you can just slip in there super easily. And I won't have to risk like, oh, I got to put it on the sun and all this stuff. So I really got to get this car done quickly. Common issue we've been having is that the film does not stick on the windshield, the back windshield. I personally think that yes, it does have to do with the slip solution, but I also think that a way to prevent it without having to use some crazy solutions is to just tint it before it leaves. So do it like first or like halfway through the job, so that way it has time to dry indoors. By the time you take it outside, hopefully it will stick. So we'll see how that goes right now. Alright guys, so I've been moving like a snail today, mainly because I've been getting distracted a lot by customers and also phone calls. So car number 1 complete. This one is $325 minus a $52 deposit. They are adding the insurance. They added a sun strip, so $325. Let me add that up actually. Okay, so they did $325 plus the insurance plus the sun strip came out to $395 minus the $52 deposit and minus the $25 returning customer discount, $318 for this car. I started the car around 9. It's 12 o'clock right now. Wasted about an hour. Second car, Honda Civic. This one we're going to be doing all the windows except for the front windshield for $225. I gave a discount because it is a family friend. So that's what we're doing on this one. First, let's print this thing out. We're just waiting for the other customer to pick up. Now I'm going to shrink this window, and this thing's looking a little funny on my chest. I'm going to shrink this window and install this first. Hey, buenas. guys, I just wanted to say thank you for watching my video to this point, and thank you guys for 7,000 subscribers. That happened a lot quicker than I thought. And if you guys are still interested in watching more of this content, comment below, like, interact with the channel, and I'll respond back to you guys. I really enjoy making this content. I do it on my free time, which is not a lot of free time. And I'm going to be doing more interactive style video where I'm talking more to the camera and doing more like instructional stuff. So if you guys like it, comment below what you like, what you don't like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys.